Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is a continuing test of the Seashell browser to automate anything in the web browser. Well, let's see if that's true. I haven't had much luck yet, frankly. I've already started the browser, I've already installed it. And what I really should try to do at this point is record a new script. I'm on Windows 10 with 8 gigs of RAM, so let's just start recording. There's no video here for help information. This would be the ideal location for a help screen or more documentation, but the menu itself does not include any help unless that's confidence level wizard. I don't know what that is. Configuration, take a screenshot. Okay, so there's no help built into this particular user interface. There might be help somewhere else, maybe on the support page, but not in the browser itself. Let's go ahead and click start recording. And so I have to drag this. Oh, it doesn't allow me to set the browser because I want to change that URL. So I click on that and then stop and don't save. I'm going to delete that. So let's try again with something that I have to go to the browser or to the URL that I want first. I am double clicking and it's not selecting the whole URL, which is not super pleasant. So I have to backspace the whole thing. And let's go to Wikipedia. Actually, it's not .org. Okay, so there's my Wikipedia. Now what I'm going to do is start my recording from here. And I'm going to click in there, add a click. And now I stop that, I guess. Well, that's not super useful. Okay, so let's try again. Delete this. Actually, let's see what's inside of it. Edit. Really slow. Again, 8 gigs of RAM. All right, so it got my URL, it got the size of the browser and the image. Now, I want to add more or continue the recording from here. But there's no continue recording, so running from here is not going to do anything because it's at the end. Okay, so delete this. Yes. And now let's record again and figure out how to get this thing to work. So I click record, and I'm going to type, let's say, Andes Mountains. Just clicked in here, so I have to click add. And now I'm going to type, but it's not allowing me to type. I click stop, then it stops the whole thing. So now I have to figure out the next action, I guess, is click and type text. So that's what I'm going to do. And here's the text I'm going to type. And these mountains. And it's given me Option for a backspace. I think I want to use the Enter key. Add that. And now, what do I do? I will want to click on the first result. Click. I'm clicking. Add. And now I'll take a screenshot. Let's see if next action includes that. No, click and type, scroll page up, find, move. Let's do a find just for giggles. Wait for image to appear. Find. I want to find some text. That's the extent of it. Find. Wait for image to appear. And now I've got two of those. I don't know how to find just text. And let's see, if I click on screenshot, take a screenshot, hopefully that will add to this macro list over here. Click OK to take a screenshot of the visible browser error, full page available in seeshell, blah. Okay, so that should do it, I guess. Stop, and we'll call this first use, save, and let's go to a new, there isn't, okay, Control T does not work, and double clicking the URL does not clear it, so let's go to a new, go to another web page, wait for it to load, and this, they appear to be sorted by alpha as opposed to being sorted by last use, which would be very useful. And let's go ahead and click on first use, click on the hamburger, and then run. You can see it's changed the, did change the URL, now it's doing something. Okay, it appears that it started because the stop button is highlighted. What it's doing exactly, I don't know. Okay, there it goes, went to Wikipedia. And because it got the size of the page is now what appears to be on the Portuguese page. Yeah, it's on the Portuguese page. So why did that fail? I don't know. Hopefully the developers at seeshell browser will anticipate users like myself who are just trying to get it to work. Thanks for watching and happy computing.